everyone, and welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving into something absolutely huge. We're unpacking the massive shift in content creation that's happening right now with the rise of AI videos in 2026. Seriously, from building massive YouTube channels to crafting high-converting ads and just stunning animations, businesses and creators are entirely powering their workflows with AI tools. You no longer need a huge budget, a fancy Hollywood studio, or a massive production team to create amazing stuff. It's all right at your fingertips. But despite all the hype and all the buzz, one central question always comes up. How do you actually start? It can honestly feel super overwhelming with brand new tools dropping literally every single week. Well, if you've been sitting on the sidelines watching this happen, don't worry. We're going to walk through a complete zero-to-hero roadmap today. From just a raw idea in your head to a published multi-platform powerhouse, we're covering the whole shebang. So, here's our roadmap for today. We're going to start with the AI video boom, move right into planning your AI content, and then get into generating audio and visuals. After that, we'll tackle editing and distribution and wrap it all up with a blueprint for success. Let's get into it. All right, Section 1, the AI video boom. We are right in the middle of a massive shift away from traditional, expensive, and super time-consuming video production. Just to make sure we're all on exactly the same page, AI videos are simply videos created fully or even just partially using artificial intelligence. And guys, this is a total game changer. The barrier to entry has essentially vanished. The AI acts as an engine that empowers literally anyone to become a creator. You don't need a $5,000 camera setup anymore, and you definitely don't need a degree to figure out complex editing software. Just look at how much heavy lifting the AI can actually do for you now. It covers basically every single step of the creative process. It can write your scripts, generate static images and full-blown animations, and make incredibly lifelike voiceovers. It can even edit the final product, add your subtitles, generate custom background music, and create ultra-realistic talking avatars. It's basically your own personal end-to-end production assistant. Moving on to Section 2, planning your AI content. Now, tools are just tools without a plan, right? This is where your human creativity and your strategic planning become the secret sauce. Before you even open a single piece of software, you have to pick a niche. In 2026, the biggest opportunities we're seeing are in things like YouTube automation, educational explainers, faceless motivational videos, and short-form content. The golden rule here is simple. Pick one specific niche from this list and stay incredibly consistent with it. That is how you build a loyal audience. So, figuring out what videos to actually make is your very next step. Sure, you can use tools like ChatGPT or Google Trends, but a really simple, highly effective trick is to just search your topic right on YouTube. Look for videos that already have a ton of views. Spot those recent trending topics and pay close attention to common questions people are asking in the comments. Remember, good content always does one of two things. It either actively solves a viewer's problem or it deeply entertains them, period. Once you have your killer idea, drafting it is honestly as simple as typing a single sentence. You can take this exact prompt, asking for a 5-minute beginner script, and just drop it into ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, or Notebook LM. Boom! The AI instantly gives you a structured script. But, and this is a massive but, you must edit that output. You gotta tweak it so it actually sounds natural, human, and perfectly fits your unique voice. Don't just sound like a robot. Okay, let's jump to Section 3, generating audio and visuals. This is your ultimate 2026 tech stack, and it's all about choosing the right tool for the job. If you need a voiceover, you're looking at powerhouses like 11 Labs, PlayHT, Murph AI, or even CapCut. Need some high-quality static images? Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or DALL-E have totally got you covered. Now, for generating actual moving cinematic video, the heavy hitters are Runway, Pika, Kling AI, Sora, and Luma AI. And hey, if you want a lifelike talking avatar reading that script of yours, you'll definitely want to check out Synthesia or Heijin. Look, the difference between a total beginner and a pro in 2026 really comes down to voice selection. You absolutely have to avoid those old, clunky, robotic, monotone voices. Instead, go for the tools that give you emotionally resonant voices with natural pacing and breathing. Elevating your audio like this instantly elevates the perceived quality of your entire project. It's like night and day. And when it comes to visuals, it's truly as easy as typing a descriptive sentence. By just typing a prompt like, a futuristic city with flying cars at sunset, cinematic style, right into your chosen visual tool, the AI instantly generates a compelling, high-definition scene for you. It's a highly efficient process, but never forget, you are still the director here. You're the one calling the creative shots. All right, Section 4, Editing and Distribution. So now that you've got this folder completely full of generated audio and visual assets, it is time to ground the magic in reality. You got to put the puzzle pieces together. Compile your assets into a video editor. If you're a beginner, CapCut, Canva, or VN Editor are incredibly user-friendly to start with. If you want that professional level control, Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve are the way to go. The absolute key to holding a viewer's attention right now: keep the pacing incredibly fast, use seamless transitions, and ruthlessly cut out any dead space. And please, whatever you do, do not forget the audio polish. Since most viewers are scrolling on their phones with the sound off, adding AI-generated auto captions using CapCut, Descript, or Vid.io is absolutely non-negotiable if you want to succeed. You also really need to add AI music through tools like Suno, Udio, or Epidemic Sound. Just make sure the music actually matches the mood of the visuals you generated. 10. That is a magic number right there. Because once your video is edited, you shouldn't just publish it once and walk away. Nope. You can realistically generate 10 pieces of short-form content like TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts by repurposing just one single long-form video. It saves you massive amounts of time, and it literally multiplies your reach across every single platform. Finally, Section 5. Blueprint for Success. Because let's be real, everyone wants to know how to monetize this. Well, even small channels can generate real, substantial income through multiple streams right now. You've got platform payouts like YouTube AdSense and the TikTok Creator Program. You can dive into affiliate marketing, land brand sponsorships, or even offer your AI video creation skills as a freelance B2B service. You could even sell your own digital products. The opportunity is just vast, as long as your content is genuinely useful to your audience. But to actually hit those monetization goals, you've got to avoid the classic beginner traps. Don't lazily copy-paste AI scripts, and please don't upload long, dragging videos. Instead, apply your own human creativity. Edit for flow, post consistently to build trust, optimize your titles, and make sure your content is short, punchy, and top-tier quality. So if you are starting today, right after this explainer ends, here is your definitive step-by-step formula. Step 1, pick one niche. Step 2, stick with it and post consistently. Step 3, learn the basics of fast-paced editing. Step 4, constantly refine your human storytelling skills. And Step 5, which might be the most crucial of all, always treat AI as your incredibly powerful assistant, not your total replacement. The creators winning right now are the ones combining these advanced tools with their own unique human spark. The future of content creation is truly already here. You have the tools, you have the strategy, and now you have the roadmap. The barrier to entry has completely vanished. So the only real question left for you is, with infinite creative power right at your fingertips, what world are you going to build first? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I will catch you next time.